Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're in Kormangla and we're headed to He's just looking around. Today we're in Kormangla and we're heading to Indiranagar to check out this property called Century Regalia. We've already shot a full property walkthrough. They have now completed their model apartment, which we'll be checking out today. Come, let's go. Guys, now we've reached Indiranagar and we're at the marketing office of Century Regalia. Let's check out the 3BHK model apartment. This model apartment is measuring 2,375 square feet, your foyer space, and this is your grand entrance. As you enter, you have a nice sized dining table. This is your formal living area that also connects to a balcony. The balcony also connects to your first bedroom. This is your first bedroom, which you can also convert into your kids' bedroom. You have ample wardrobe space and attached washroom.
Come here. Right next to the living, you have this separated media room, which comes with a partition ensuring privacy. It also has a door on this side, which leads to your bedroom and kitchen. You have your common washroom here. And this side is your kitchen. Lot of storage spaces, and this first part of the kitchen is set apart for your appliances. You have your sink here. You can see there's a lot of storage space under the counter, on top of the counter and everything. You have two sinks, and this is your staff room, which comes with an attached washroom. And this is your separate entry and exit for your staff.
This is your second bedroom. Walking right in, you can set up your TV here and you have ample wardrobe space. This bedroom also has an attached balcony, which again connects to your primary bedroom.
This is your primary bedroom. You have the study space here. You can set up your TV on this wall, and you can see the kind of padding and everything they've given. There's this velvet finish. Like I always say, you can pick up a few things from the model and do it for your own house. This is your walk-in wardrobe space. Lot of cupboards. I would prefer a mirror over here instead of this. And this is your attached washroom. So including the marketing office we just saw, this is a total of 8.6 acre land parcel. You'll have 3 and 4 BHKs in Indiranagar, and over there is the Karnataka Golf Association.
Hey, we should have gotten a drone to show them the Golf Association.
Do we have the drone?
The possession of this project is in December 2028 and the prices start at 5.6 crore. More details of this project are in the description below. For more details, reach out to us and share it with someone who might be interested.